Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Citigroup. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before we get started, just a reminder, in case if you don't have an account on Citigroup, then you'll not be able to sign up into your online banking account. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.citigroup.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. The next page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on sign on to accounts. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, you'll have to select your account type. Once you select your account type, on the other page you will be directed into login page. In order to have a login information, first of all you must sign up into your online banking account. Only then you'll be provided with the login information. In order to have an access of your account detail on your device, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on register in the bottom left corner. Once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into registration. So from here you'll have to select the method in which way you want to register. So you can see there are multiple options, so you can select on any one of the following information. As you selected, you'll have to provide the information accordingly. Over here you can see that I've selected account numbers, so I must enter the correct account number that is linked with my Citibank. So once you're done entering your information, next tap on continue setup in the bottom left corner. As you tap on continue setup, on the other page you'll have to verify yourself, so you'll have to enter more detail about your account. If the provided information is correct, on the other page or the third step you'll get to set up online access, which means that you'll get to create profile ID or your new login information, which includes your username and password. And once you're done setting up your online access, so next you'll have to confirm, so make sure to go through it and then tap on confirm in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on confirm, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account of Citigroup. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Citigroup. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.